up, Jack?
Did you buy a WRX?
The ball is over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I crouched you out.
Jack.
What's up?
There's a Subaru outside.
What do you mean it's super?
No, there's a Subaru outside.
I see it backing up.
What the hell is?
What up, Jack?
Did you buy a WRX?
So something showed up for you?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I guess we can talk about it more tomorrow when I get there. Put it this way. The next title of the next YouTube video will be Restoring Our New WRX.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Say wow. Say excited.
Well, I guess we have a new project car. WRX.
I thought the Supra was the project car.
Daniel just bought a Sprinter van. He has a SQ. He has a whole bunch of cars. You know.
Okay.
I guess he wants a four-door saloon or family sedan. But oh, this is gonna be fun.
What do you think?
Needs a lot of work, a lot of TLC, but I think Daniel has some explaining to do tomorrow.
I think he does too, yeah. Don't clap at me. I'm not the one who brought the car here, okay? You like Daniel's new car?
No.
Why not?
It's gonna. I'll give it 2 weeks.
Give it 2 weeks. What do you mean?
Maybe 3.
What do you mean?
He's gonna do something ridiculous to it, probably. And
And then what? And then never drive it again?
yeah, that too. You know, it's just gonna sit there for a bit.
Are you alluding to a certain car in the parking lot?
Not really.
Good morning, y'all. So, it's day 2 of having whatever this mystery car is.
We know what the car is, but
Yeah, okay, Jack, okay. We do know what car it is, but we don't know why it's here, necessarily. But, we're gonna find out today, hopefully, as Jack's getting off, very...
stripped lug nut.
There you go, yeah, very stripped lug nut.
All right, let's see how bad this tire looks brand new.
Looks big. Oh.
Oh.
Maybe that's why I wasn't holding her.
I bet you it got flat somehow, and they're riding on it, and just crunched it.
We got the wheel off, and now we have the super sick donut on there.
Yeah, and I found some lug nuts.
Yeah, because some of the lug nuts were not gonna go back on the car.
No, none of them are. Look, I fixed it. This window wasn't doing that yesterday. Battery is dead, so you have to have there's a weird reset thing where you have to pull these and hold them. We're gonna have the Flossin boys wash it to really see how everything looks.
We're pretty
No,
sure.
he called me and said, hey, I got a car coming in on a trailer. Oh, okay. Fun stuff. Daniel is always spontaneous like that. That's why I like
it
had a flat tire.
Yeah, we had to take off the tire.
So you telling me this is the new shop car that I can whip around whenever I want? Yeah, it's automatic. Ah!
This thing's crazy, bro. It's how long you had it?
3 years now?
3 years?
Yeah, two, yeah.
2, right? Because I'm trying to remember when they released this, because it hasn't been out that long.
Yeah,
has
2
it?
years.
Yeah.
Shit, I can't remember, dude. COVID kind of fucked it up for me.
You whip this around town all day?
Yeah.
It
It's my son's favorite car too. He loves Lamborghinis, so I used to have a Huracan and a Aventador. He got mad at me when I sold my Aventador.
So he was like, you needed to make it up to him, you know?
Yeah, so he's 4, but he told me whenever he graduates, he's like, are you gonna buy me a car when I graduate? And I was like, yeah, any car you want. I want a Lamborghini. I was like, fuck.
What's up, vlog? Well, obviously the Lambo's here. You guys see it. This has been on the channel probably a year ago today, basically. So the Lambo this thing is
daily driven, and the reason why I know that is because I see it all the time. It's always driving down the 91 freeway, so it's always cool to see our work. But I want to mention that because, you know, some people say you wrap a car and, you know, depending on how well you take care of it. In this case, this thing's driven every day, so you can see someone who takes this vehicle out, washes it regularly. This is what it looks like. Let's go over it real quick. I'm just always proud to show you guys. Door handles look great. You always see people bubble up and popping off. Not the case here. Everything's laying, all the corners, all the edges, everything still looks good. So the Lambo's back. What are we gonna do here? First things first, we're gonna unwrap it. We gotta get this vinyl off, and from there, we'll move forward with the new color. We'll show you guys the entire process. We're gonna spend about a week to a week and a half on this thing. When you bring in a vehicle that's been wrapped, we have to do the reverse process. Meaning, when we wrap this thing, you've seen us blow the entire thing apart, wrap it, and put it back together. Now, we gotta blow it apart, unwrap it, put it back together, wrap it. This is a big process. You guys will see. Let's go.
Alright guys, so we have this BRZ that we wrapped earlier this year. Actually, it was last year. We wrapped this car, and unfortunately the customer had an issue with his quarter panel. I'm assuming it got nicked or he had some kind of body work done to it, but all we're doing today is just rewrapping the quarter panel. But if you go through the rest of the car, you can see that all the corners are still perfect. What we're gonna do first is we're going to prep the car. That's what Andres is gonna do. He's disassembling the car, taking apart all the trims and whatnot, loosening the bumper, taking out the tail light. Once he's done with that, we're gonna be prepping the surface of the paint and get it ready for wrap.
So, what's up with the tape situation there, Andres?
So that the tail light doesn't pop out. Because the tail light's hardwired in, so we have to make sure that it doesn't like scratch up the bumper and anything. I can't take it off all the way.
Guys, so Adrian has finished up wrapping the quarter panel in this BRZ. Andres is back here finishing up the tail light installation right here, and then the car will be ready for pickup.
Where my guy David at? There he is. Oh, he's in focus mode.
What's happening, CJ?
What's going on, brother? What are we working on today?
We are finishing up the range. With this car is actually really fast because the majority of the top's already black. Customer wanted to leave it black. He wants to go for like a murdered outlook, and what we did is we wrapped pretty much the whole bottom side satin black. We've only been on this car for, I think I would say probably like 2 days at the very most, with a few appointments here and there in between. And all we have to do is just wrap the front bumper, the front and the rear, and then this thing's done. So we're making good progress.
Yeah, the crazy thing is, if you notice, Jack kind of mentioned it, we're like kind of a satin black shop right now.
This whole month, everything's gonna go satin black. So we have 2 Range Rovers that went satin black. We're fixing the BRZ, which is satin black, and I believe the Urus that just dropped off is gonna go satin black. So it's just satin black, everything.
Hey man, satin black looks good.
Maybe it's because we're getting closer to Halloween. Who knows?
So David, do all Range Rovers come with no wheels and brake calipers, or is that something new?
We're just fixing stuff, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, so what we meant is we actually do powder coating for your guys' wheels and brake calipers while we wrap your car. So your car will look completely different by the time you get it back, and everybody wins.
How long you been on this range for?
Hey, David, I let know. Actually, everything that you're asking, I'm already ahead of the game.
Because I just wanted to talk to you. I wanted to know. How long has he been on the car? I don't know.
Tell him.
Now I gotta watch the vlog to find out?
2 days.
2 days? Bro, you kill it.
2 days.
You're like the best rapper. If you guys don't know, David is literally one of the best rappers in the world. Not to mention this guy's alright, but this guy's literally the best rapper in the world. I'll tell you guys that right now, confidently. So, anybody in the comments below want to challenge me, do it. No, Adrian, dude, if you get to work next to the best, what does that mean?
You're
what does that mean
second
for you?
best.
What am I, Batman? You're the first loser. I ain't robbing. I'm not robbing.
He said you're the second place loser, first place loser. Damn, savage over here. I'm trying to compliment both of them, and then he backhands him.
You're not first, you're last. Bro.
Fucking Ricky David over here.
Ricky Castillo. Phase. So, if you guys don't know, CJ is our new filmer. He's been wanting to do this for a long time, but Hefe's always told him no. So now he's actually doing it since Hefe is doing bigger things in life, or should I say, less things in life because he's
doing
losing.
slimmer things in
He's
life.
slimmer things in life. So, CJ, how do you feel about being the new filmer?
I'm excited. I'm nervous, but mostly excited. You know, I mean, I'm nervous because you know it's videos, and I want to make them as best as possible for everybody watching them. Because I know there's those diehard fans that really love premium. But I'm excited to get to work, bro. Honestly.
Can you fucking please get some new shoes,
Bro, leave my Crocs alone.
What auto shop allows you to wear sandals and Crocs? Like, that's like a freaking lawsuit waiting to happen, bro.
No, it's not.
It
Okay,
is.
dude, when you say it like that, yeah, it sounds like
That's
that.
like going to the gym in sandals. You don't do that.
Well, what if you're at the beach?
Because no weight's gonna fall on your shoe. Or on
What do
your,
you
on
mean?
your
If you're
foot.
working out at the beach, there's Muscle Beach? What about that?
That's different.
No, it's not. It's a beach. Oh my god, what the hell is that?
Build up something for it.
Yeah.
What's going on here? Is this a party bus? What is this?
Oh.
Premium Bang Bus 2! I'll lightly explain. We have another vlog coming probably in the next week where I'll explain what happened to my other van. If you guys tuned into the channel a couple months back to watch the van build series that I was all excited about, we had a Nissan NV 3500. We did a lift kit on it. We did 35-inch wheels and tires. Did a bunch of stuff to it. That van's no longer around. Let's just say that. But we'll leave you guys on that. This is the new van. You guys will see it in about a week. Now that the Subi's clean, you can see what we really got here. Faded carbon fiber hood to start. Faded carbon fiber mirrors. It was so dirty, I didn't realize that it was missing a wheel. Just kidding. The wheel's in there, tire was blown out, but we do have the wheel. You know, as far as the body goes, it's not terrible. Bumper's kind of damaged up front here and there. Rear bumper has some damage on it. Some door dings, little things. You know, we're gonna bring this car back. We'll take the door, get rid of the door dings. We'll fix the bumpers. With the carbon fiber, I think that we will be restoring this hood. Probably getting new mirror caps, throwing a wrap on it, putting the wheels back on. Or actually, before putting the wheels on, we'll probably recoat them to get a nice coating on them. Overall, it was a good project, good solid project to work with here. I hope you guys are excited about this. We're gonna restore this here on the channel. So what we decided to do moving forward, at least for now, is just give you the day-to-day and really show you what's going on. I mean, you've seen everything today, from deliveries of a Range Rover to detailing this thing, to what the guys are doing in the shop, to my Supra out here getting washed up and ready for me to go, to also seeing a little sneak peek at another vehicle that I recently purchased. If you haven't seen the Supra, there she is, because I miss it. I haven't seen it in a while. I haven't drove this thing in, I don't know how long. A week? Feels like, I mean, it feels like months, dude. When you don't drive this thing, it feels like months. Let's start this bad boy.
Probably shouldn't rev it as soon as you
Well,
start
it's
it
warmed up. It's been driven around this morning. But they don't know that. All right, brother. I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be back tomorrow. These vlogs are going to keep coming, guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you keep watching. Drop a comment. Drop a like. What else? I don't know. See you guys.
You look like you've been through the ringer, my guy. Yeah.
Just like
That's
one of
what I'm doing some workout in the sun will do. Yo, let me show you guys. Got the heavy to modified meal preps, baby. Post that up. Shout out to heavy to modified. Feeding me every day. You guys want to use my rep code 006921 6969?
Dash 420.
Don't show how dirty it is in there. That's disgusting, bro. It's disgusting.